So the electrophilic substitution reactions of aryl halides, now which are called the electrophilic substitution reaction. These are the substitution reactions in which there will be replacement of one atom or group by another atom or group, that is called a substitution reaction. Now which are called electrophilic substitution reaction. The substitution reaction in which the attacking reagent is an electrophile is called the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now which is called the electrophilic reagent or which is called the electrophile. The meaning of electrophile is electron loving. It means the reagent which attack on the at the electron rich center are called the electrophiles. It means the electrophiles, these are itself are the electropositive species or the electron deficient molecules which always attack at the electron rich center, and these are called the electrophiles. And when there will be attack of these electrophiles on the substrate and which gives the substitution reactions are called the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now when we consider the aryl halides having the less reactivity towards the electrophilic substitution reactions as compared to the benzene. The reason is that in haloarenes or in aryl halides there will be attachment of the halogen atom to the benzene ring, and this halogen atom is having a strong negative inductive effect. It means the halogen atom is having a strong electron withdrawing capacity which withdraws the electron density from the benzene ring, and therefore the electron density of the benzene ring decreases, and therefore the attack of electrophile becomes slow or becomes less, and therefore these haloarenes is having a less reactivity towards the electrophilic substitution reaction as compared to the benzene. Second thing, when we observe the haloarenes, these haloarenes are stabilized by the resonance. In the last video we learned the resonating structures of the chlorobenzene, and if you observe at the second, third and fourth structure, the electron density or the negative charge is developed at ortho para position, and therefore at ortho and para position due to resonance the electron density increases, and therefore electrophile always attack at the ortho and that of the para position, and therefore we are always getting ortho or para substituted product when we consider the electrophilic substitution reactions of the haloarenes. Now when we are getting these two types of product, that is the ortho and para substituted product, the which para substituted product is the major product as compared to the ortho substituted product. The reason is that when there will be a formation of ortho substituted product, there will be a crowding of the groups or atoms will be takes place, because both positions as compared to substituted, ortho position is nearest to each nearest to that substituent, and therefore there will be a crowding, and due to that there will be development of steric hindrance, and due to that the ortho product is somewhat less stable. But when we consider the para substituted product, in that case the substitution takes place at para position which is opposite to that of the our halogen, and therefore there will be a less crowding of the atoms or groups, and therefore the para product is more stable, and therefore the major product obtained in the electrophilic substitution reactions of aryl halide is the para product. Now one by one we are taking the different types of electrophilic substitution reactions of aryl halides. First one we are to take the halogenation. Halogenation means reaction with the halogens. So when haloarenes reacts with the halogen in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3, which is the Lewis acid, it gives the ortho substituted para substituted and ortho substituted product. Out of that the major product is the para substituted product, because there is less crowding. The two chlorine atoms are opposite to each other, and therefore there will be no crowding. But at the ortho position there will be two chlorine atoms are nearest to each other, and therefore there will be a crowding, and therefore it is less stable, it is more stable, and therefore it is the major product. So that is the halogenation. So when chlorobenzene reacts with the chlorine in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3, it gives the 1,4-dichlorobenzene as a major product and 1,2-dichlorobenzene as a minor product. We are getting the two types of products, that is ortho and para, because due to the resonance at ortho and para position electron density increases, and therefore the halogen atom always attack at para or that of the ortho position. Second reaction which is given by the halogens, it is the nitration. When we consider the nitration, it is the reaction with the nitrating mixture, that is the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and that of the concentrated sulfuric acid. When these halogens, or we are taking the example of chlorobenzene, when this chlorobenzene treated with the concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives the 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, and the second product is the 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene, which will be a major product. This product is the major product because it is nitro group is substituted at para position with reference to chlorine, and therefore there will be less crowding, and due to this is the major product, and therefore 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene is the major product and 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene is the minor product of the nitration. Third type of reaction which is given by the halogens is the sulfonation. It means it is the reaction with the fuming sulfuric acid. When halogens reacts with the fuming sulfuric acids, it gives the corresponding ortho and para substituted product. So when chlorobenzene is treated with the or heated with the fuming sulfuric acid, it gives the 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, that is the ortho product, and the second product 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid, which is the para product, and this will be the major product. Next reaction that we have to consider, it is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So when we consider the Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is the reaction with the alkyl halide or that of the acyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid anhydrous AlCl3 to give the corresponding substituted product. Is called the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So first, if we are considering the example of chlorobenzene, when chlorobenzene is reacts with the methyl chloride, so it is the, we are using the alkyl halide as a reagent, that is the methyl chloride. When chlorobenzene reacts with the methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives first ortho product and second is the para product. So it gives the 1-chlorotoluene and the 4-chlorotoluene. So this reaction is the alkylation, because there will be alkylation of this haloalkane, because there will be attachment of methyl group to the benzene ring. So it is called the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Second, that is the Friedel-Crafts acylation. In that case, we are using a reagent, that is the acyl chloride. So when this chlorobenzene reacts with the acyl chloride, that is the CH3C11OCl, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives the ortho substituted and para substituted product. So it gives the 1-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone, and 4-chloroacetophenone is the major product. In that case, there will be a substitution of hydrogen at ortho and para position by which group? That is the COCH3 group, to give a 1-chloroacetophenone and that of the 4-chloroacetophenone. So that is called the Friedel-Crafts acylation, and it is called the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, there will be a substitution of the methyl groups, or the alkyl group will be takes place, and when we consider the Friedel-Crafts acylation, there will be a substitution of the acyl group at the benzene will be takes place. So that is the Friedel-Crafts reactions which are given by the halogens.